Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today is day 10 for 12 tags for 12 days of Christmas. We are almost done, just 2 days left, and I'm super excited to show you this wreath. This is a mini wreath that I made. Now I got this wire garland from the Dollar Tree, and what you do is you just wrap it, tie it, and then if you want to add some Mod Podge and some fake snow, or if you have any texture paste, you just put it onto your wreath. So I'm not doing a traditional tag today. I saw this idea in Pinterest and I wanted to give it a shot. What's even better is I located all the items that I'm using in the Dollar Tree, except the fake candy. The fake candy is all from AliExpress. So now I'm going to use this ribbon. I'm going to tie it onto the wreath, and actually I'm going to glue it on there just so it can stay in place. I will embellish this with a bow, and I'm also going to use the filler vase foam balls that are in the party section, the party aisle in Dollar Tree. Those foam balls are super cute. They're glittery and they come in different sizes and in colors, so it's appropriate just to use as ornaments. And these mini wreaths are perfect. They have candy, they're beautiful, and they're perfect to add to your gift wrapping. Also, you can make them as tree ornaments. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like and comment below. And don't forget to watch Luisa and Eileen's channels for their tags for 12 tags for 12 days of Christmas. Until next time, and God bless.